so second time around we were much more successful. We got 13 slime balls that time. Unfortunately I wasn't recording though, but yeah. So that means piston. We did craft the piston, good. Okay, so pop one of you on you, and then pop you, then you, then pop you on you. Luckily, I remembered where it was, so the slime biome, I mean. Slime biome? What am I on about? Swamp biome. Yeah, I'm going crazy. So, so if I do that, can I get my slime balls back? I can. Okay, because what I'm thinking is, let's see how high does that bounce me? We're going to need some more redstone here, but we're only going to need a smidge. So if we do that, like that, and then we do that, it's gotta be symmetrical. So there, that should work. And then we do that, and yep, and that, and that, and there, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4. Stone. We need stone, not just cobblestone. Put them in there and wait for them to smelt. Okay. And then we craft them into futons. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That launch is pretty damn high. But we can go higher. Let's see, if we go to sleep first before it gets dark. Okay, there we go. So we grab some this is actually going to be more complex than I thought. Okay, no, should be fine. Whoops. So we are going to need to make some repeaters. Yeah. So if we get that high, right, let's do a lock test. So, my thoughts are we build another jumping module up there. So, to make it look cool, I think we're going to get some oak wood. But, oh no, actually, that was really dumb of me, because so go up to there, no, one down. So actually just 3 of them. But 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then, well, how's the redstone for this gonna work? So come up the middle. There. And we want another thingy, so we're gonna need a tripwire hook up here. So grab that. So other way around. How'd you make it? How'd you make it? Like that. Other way around. String. Is it string? Do you need string? String, get string. String. Right, I'm just gonna look this up quickly. Ah, okay. Like that. And we got 2 of them, hooray! That's good. That's nice. That's kind. Oh, and we need to craft up. Those stones still in there. So if we craft up their repeaters, so 2 of these, and then the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and 4, 5, 6. Then we need 1. Okay. And then it's going to be down here, isn't it? So, no, we'll do that. Have a block either side. And then, okay, so we're gonna need another 2 pistons. Both of them sticky. Or do we? Yeah, we do. Yeah. So, get a slime block first. And then doop. And wood! Gah! Wood! Why did I make all of those sticks? Okay, so wood. Yep. Now. Okay. Put that like that. And then have that there and that there. Then we would need just redstone there. But that's not going to work because then where are we going to put the tripwire hooks? We put the tripwire hooks above. So, like that. Tripwire hook. String. Ah! No. I don't need one here. And have I just made it so that this won't work anymore? We'll see. Okay, we might need to think that through again. How can we stop that from happening? Well, yeah, stupid redstone. We do that, don't need a block there. Let's sleep first, that might be an idea. And look how ugly this is at the moment. Right, so we do that. But then it would make it only accessible from that side. Okay. Because I know tripwires are strange, so will it work if I shift? No. Will it work if I put a block there? If I put a block there, then the redstone's gonna have to lead round here. This is turning out to be really hard to do. No, I can't connect. Alright, and why are you stuck now? Why are you stuck? You didn't do that last time. Oh, I tell you why, it's because I left that block there. So, put back in here quickly, and go. Ah! Just put that down. Boom, boom. Okay. And then remove this along one. Like that. Will that work now? Well, I know it will work this time, but just is it good? So put that in the middle, and then boom, over here. So let's see, you'd have to start. Okay, it's got a bit of, well, it needs a bit of delay. How am I gonna fit the delay in? Right. I'll do that. Nope, still needs to be a little bit more. Right, I need to make another repeater. Nope, torch first. Two of them. Didn't mean to do that. I don't want to go up here. Okay. redstone, and then that allows a repeater to be placed there. I need block to stand on. Let's see how 4 works. Okay, that's a bit too much delay. See about 2. There we go. 2. That works. Now I just need to make it look nice.